Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We're gonna hop right into this. Today I'm gonna be reverting my hair back to curly, and I'm gonna be using the following products in order to bring my hair back. I'm gonna be using a combination of all four of these reparative curl bond products by different brands. They'll all be listed down in the description box, and I'm gonna use those to bring my curls back. The first thing that we're going to do is split my hair up into sections in order for me to detangle my hair and just for the whole process to be easier. You guys know that I love dividing my hair up before I do anything with it. So I'm going to curl my hair out with this Dimming brush, and then I'm going to take my Olaplex number 0 and I'm going to apply that to my scalp, and I'm also going to take it down the shaft of my hair, but I don't think I show that very much. And then I'm going to wet my hair with my spray bottle. And then I'm going to take my Fanola Bond Reconstructor, I believe is what it's called, Bond Fixer. And I'm going to use that first for no particular reason. And then I'm going to take my Curlsmith Hair Bond Solve and use that next. And I'm going to start finger combing through my hair just to see if the curls start to pop back in, and then I go through with my brush again. And as we can see, my curls are trying to make a cute little comeback. So now we're gonna add on our Olaplex Bond Maintenance number 3. And I'm so sorry if y'all can hear them leaf blowing in the back. They've been doing it for like an hour and a half, and I just can't delay this voiceover any longer. Now I'm going to twist off each section of my hair, and I added just a little bit more water to my ends because the ends of my hair were just having a little trouble reverting back. But as you guys can see in that twist, my curls are bouncing back super well. I do want to add that it's not necessary for you to use 4 different products like I did. I just had them all from having my YouTube channel. I have a lot of products. I get sent a lot of products, so I always want to use as many as possible, just so I don't waste them. But I have an entire dedicated video on the Curlsmith Curl Bond Solve. I'm going to be doing an Olaplex video because I've been using so many of their products since my hair has been straightened. There's no particular reason that I'm using all of them. I just wanted to. So don't think that you have to go out and purchase all of these to get the results that I did. Maybe just like one, like a normal person would do just fine. So I am just going to divide my hair into manageable sections, and I'm going to continue that process over the entirety of my head, and I will let you guys watch. Now here is where you guys get to see half of my hair reverting back and the other half still straight. First of all, the shrinkage is crazy. Second of all, do we see those curls? I was a little nervous, so I was really excited when they came back. Now I'm just going to repeat that exact same process on the other side of my hair, and again, I'll just let you guys watch. Okay, so this is my hair all done. I'm gonna put a plastic cap over it, and then I'm going to take my heated cap and I'm going to put that on my head and let that sit. I think I let it sit for, I might have let it sit overnight. It wasn't hot the entire time, of course, but it sat there. And now we're gonna get in the shower. So I'm gonna take this Redken Total Repair kit. It's this new kit. It's kind of like Redken's version of Olaplex, I believe. A girl, when I was at Ulta, she recommended it to me, so I bought it. And then I'm gonna take the Olaplex number 5 conditioner and then my 2 favorite deep conditioners from Shea Moisture. The only reason I have the travel packs is because I ran out of the regular packs and I was too lazy to buy the full one. So, But anyways, this is my hair before I even wash it. It's looking good. So now we're going to take the shampoo from that Redken kit, and it sudsed up really well. The first time around when I did my hair, I was able to detangle with it because you guys know, or if you're new here, I can tell a good shampoo if I'm able to detangle with it. And I was able to detangle with the shampoo on the first time around, but not the second time around because I washed my hair twice to make sure that it's nice and cleansed, because after this video that you guys are seeing, I did film myself doing a silk press on myself at home. So I wanted to make sure that I got all of the product buildup off of my hair, and I also just wanted to give the shampoo a fair chance to work. But because it is like a very, very cleansing shampoo, I knew that it was going to be stripping. It wasn't the most stripping shampoo I've ever used. It did a really good job. I think that it's like not the most moisturizing thing in the entire world, but it's also not super drying. I just used a ton of it. So I feel like if I would have stopped here, it wouldn't have been as drying. But I'm really trying it with this one because it wasn't even that drying. I just need to calm down. My hair is looking nice and good and pretty defined for how much I just cleansed my hair. Then I'm going to take a crap ton of the Olaplex conditioner and just run that through my head because it's just kind of going to be like a primer to get my hair a little more moisturized to prepare for the detangling process. And then I'm going to take the conditioner that came inside of the Redken kit and I'm going to also spread that on my hair. Then I'm going to section my hair off even more, add some more conditioner from the Redken kit, and then use my flex brush. I got that off of this particular brush off of Amazon. And I'm going to start from the bottom of my hair and work my way up detangling. I could have finger detangle my hair and it will probably be better, honestly, for breakage purposes, but I just didn't feel like it. But if you have the time and the energy, please finger detangle. It'll be better for your hair. Then I added both conditioners, both of the deep conditioners on my hair, but I only showed myself adding one. But I made that face because it's just such a good freaking deep conditioner. If you've never tried it, I so highly, 10 out of 10 recommend both of those conditioners. So I'm going to go through my entire head, putting in deep conditioner. And this is what my hair is looking like after the entire process. My curls came back beautifully. I wouldn't have straightened my hair again if my curls did not come back well. And if you guys would like to see me straighten my hair, then stay tuned to the next video. But until then, I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.